My name is Kennedy Nganga, and today I'm going to present you Blockbima. Here's an interesting fact. Loan defaults from climate risks such as floods and droughts have increased from 15% in 2020 to 40% in 2024. That is an increase in 60% over half a decade. This has led to lenders reducing the amount of credit they provide to climate vulnerable populations or outrightly avoiding them altogether. And this impacts credit for people like Mary, who is one of our beneficiaries, who needs this credit for her business. At Blockbima, we are solving this in 3 key ways. First of all, we enable lenders to price climate risks into their credit decisioning process. Then we enable them to transfer that risk using automated insurance. And finally, we enable them to report that risk for compliance. Our secret sauce is the use of blockchain technology, particularly the XRPL Ledger, to make the insurance highly efficient, and the fact that we are over 10 times cheaper than our competitors. And this is not just theoretical. We did a pilot in Q4 of 2025. We were able to sell 322 policies, and we were able to help the lender reduce their climate-linked defaults by over 60%. We are now moving this and growing it, moving from small lenders and targeting to be serving mid-tier banks by 2027. Our team is made up of professionals in the Web3, AI, and climate space, and we have worked for some of the leading organizations when it comes to climate. We are now raising $2 million to scale our impact and expand into new geographies. So if this sounds like an opportunity you can get behind, join us and get in touch to learn more about how to grow climate resilience. Thank you.